Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix payment information could not be updated, your payment method was declined. So guys, when you try to add any payment method in your Apple ID on iPhone or iPad and you will see this type of error again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you update your payment method easily without this error. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, click on general, and guys, check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN. And now guys, you need to go back. Simply you have to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to go back. So guys, if you are updating your payment method or changing your payment method in Safari or Google Chrome, then you need to open your settings. And guys, you need to log in or sign in your Apple account in settings here, and you need to open your iCloud here. And guys, here you need to click on payment and shipping. And guys, after this you need to add your new payment method here. You can easily update your payment method without any kind of error. And guys, if you are still not adding your payment method and still your payment method was declined again and again, then guys, you need to go back, and after going to back, simply you have to contact with your bank, or you have to open your bank app in your phone, and you need to turn on online transaction or international transaction on your card. And guys, if your debit or credit card has been expired, then you need to change your debit or credit card. And guys, after changing your card, if still your payment method declined, then guys, no need to worry. You have to open your Apple Sport app in your iPhone, select your iPhone gadget here, and here is the option subscription and purchases, and click on update payment method. So guys, now you need to click on call, and you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem that your payment method was declined again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.